do this while it's hot. It always cleans up better. It's not so great for the brush.
Awesome.
But,
Yeah, I imagine not.
So are you trying to make a hook?
yes, this is a hanging hook.
Okay.
I didn't get my vise in here, so twisting it up was a bit of a challenge. That's why I wanted to salvage it. And tuning up. This is when you know you're getting tired, when the tongs start
You have to fight
wavering. Yeah,
the urge to grab it with your bare hands, don't you?
no,
When something falls.
no,
No.
no. I outgrew that a long,
I
long
bet.
time ago. Yeah, that's
Very good.